Hello and welcome to this video. Today I have come to the River Foy in the hopes of finding dippers and capturing some footage of dippers. As you'll know from my last couple of videos, I spent some time at Luxillian recently trying to film dippers there, and I showed you some of that footage in my last couple of videos, but I wasn't very happy with any of that footage. So today I'm trying a different location. I have been here before, but not for wildlife videography. It is quite busy today, so it's hard to tell how it will go, but it's worth a try. So let's go and see if we can find some dippers. If you're interested, I parked at the Resprin Bridge car park and walked upstream from there. And just after I filmed that intro, a dipper flew past. It went that way, so I'm going to head that way and hopefully we might get to see it a little bit further upstream. So after spending hours and hours this past week or so at Luxillian trying to get footage of the dippers there, this is really exciting because literally not long after I arrived here, I managed to track down a dipper. I viewed the dipper from this spot as he or she came by a couple of times. I believe males are slightly larger, but I'm not able to make a guess by sight. If you have any tips, I'd appreciate it. As you can see, adult dippers have a dark grey-brown back and dark brown wings. The top of their face and nape are chestnut brown, and their chin, throat and breast are white with a chestnut band below. Noticeably, they have a pale eyelid. I then carried on upstream and came across a dipper further along. I tucked myself behind a tree for this one, so I did struggle a bit at times to focus through all of the branches, but I didn't want to risk him or her seeing me, so I tried to manage and at times did manage to get some clear shots. Dippers get their name from the dipping motion as they sit on rocks. They are amazing birds. They are the UK's only aquatic songbird and they are designed to be able to swim underwater to feed. They have strong wings which help to beat them down and they use their claws to help them walk along the stony riverbed. They have a third transparent eyelid that they can close, enabling them to see underwater. They eat caddis and mayfly larvae which live only in fast-flowing, well-oxygenated rivers, hence why dippers are located in faster-flowing sections of rivers. Mayflies are sensitive to changes in water quality, and apparently dippers are also sensitive to the pH levels in water environments. Dippers are on the amber list for UK birds of conservation concern. And these two things highlight the importance of water quality for dippers. And as we know, that is suffering terribly from various factors, including pesticides. After filming the dipper at the second location, I headed home. I really hope you enjoyed joining me on this mini adventure to find dippers and learn more about them. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. Please do support my channel by liking and subscribing, and I will see you next time.